Escape. I'm innocent. Why don't they believe me? 5 years. I must stay in this prison for 5 years. All I do is read. This is no life. I must get out of here. Suddenly the door opens. Ah, Brown. How are you today? You like your book, I see. It's a very beautiful day. Oh, I forget. You can't go out. Ha ha ha. Why do you hate me? You don't know me. Why do you say these things? You are a thief. Everybody hates thieves. I'm not a thief. I'm an innocent man. You are not innocent. Why are you in prison? Can you answer that? Now eat and be quiet. I'm not hungry. Now, don't get angry, Brown. The guard's right. It's a beautiful day. I must escape. But how? I want to be like that bird. He's free. He does what he likes. Wait a minute. I've got an idea. I can be like that bird. There is a photograph. It's in one of these books, and it shows the country near the prison. Where is it? Yes, it's here. Here is the prison, and over here. Okay, tomorrow I'm leaving. The next day. Good morning, Brown. It's another beautiful day, but you are in here. Ha ha ha. The guard doesn't believe his eyes. No, it can't be. Quick, sound the alarm. It's Brown. He is not here. Look everywhere. You must catch Brown. Find him and bring him to me. Do you hear? Yes, sir. Right away, sir. This is Brown's cell. I want someone in it tonight. You or Brown. Do you understand? Yes, sir. I'm not happy, and he's in trouble. He is not happy, and I'm in trouble. But Brown is not free. The guard never looks up here. Now I must get out of here. After him. I must be quick. I'm not going back to prison. They must kill me first. Be careful, Brown. Don't fall now. I'm nearly there, but this isn't easy. Don't be afraid, Brown. Okay, here I go. Brown is high above the guards. He runs and jumps. We must stop him. Where is he? Can you see him? Look everywhere and find him, fast. Oh, it's a long way down. Help! Ouch! That hurts. There is a ditch. I can get there. What's that? Is it him? Turn your light that way. Can they see me? Am I safe? The guards do not see Brown. He is safe, for now. Perhaps it's an animal. I don't think it's Brown. My foot hurts. I've got water in my shoes. I'm tired. But I'm not going back to prison. The wood isn't far. It's sit there. They can't catch me now. Brown runs and runs until he can't run any more. Suddenly, dogs. I can hear dogs. Go on, where is Brown? Get him. Oh no, the dogs are looking for me. How can I hide? Perhaps. A minute later. Where is he? The dogs don't know. Perhaps he's this way. Come with me. Brown is very tired. I want to sleep, but I can't now. I must go on. It's getting dark. I can stop soon. Ah, this is nice. I need that bicycle. I'm not a thief, but... Stop, that's my bicycle. Sorry, I need it. Bye. Brown cycles for hours. Watch out, you! The The bicycle doesn't work now. I must stop. Where can I find somewhere to sleep? Shush! I'm not going to hurt you. I only need to sleep. Can I sleep here, please? I don't snore. Brown shuts his eyes and sleeps. He does snore. There is a noise. Brown opens his eyes. What's that? Come on then, Daisy. On your feet, Clover. Good. I'm safe. The farmer's going away. These are prison clothes. I need some different clothes. Hey, what are you doing? Those aren't your clothes. Come back here, thief! Stop! Get out of my way. Guards, dogs, and now farmers' wives. What's next? I hear something. Yes, I'm very close now. That plane's coming in to land. The airport's over there. Brown arrives at the airport. The fence is high, but I can climb it. Ow! An electric fence! I can't climb it. What do I do now? I can climb this tree and get over that fence, but I must be careful. 10 more minutes and I'm free. All I need is a big plane. There are a lot of planes. Which one do I want? That's the one. There is lots of room for me. I need to eat. Pizza, I think, and some milk. Are you hungry? Of course I am. I need 3 big pizzas. It's 5 hours before we land again, you know. Quick, we've only got half an hour. What's that noise? My stomach, I think. I'm very hungry. I can get in here. What a lot of boxes. They can't all go in that plane. I'm free. I'm like that bird now. Wait! He's in there. Sometime later. Another beautiful day, Brown. But not for you. You can't escape, Brown. Nobody escapes from me. Brown lies on the cold floor. He is hurt. The guards run. I must escape. I can't stay in here. You can't keep me in here. I'm innocent. You wait and see. Perhaps things aren't all bad. I'm alive. The sun shines. I hear the birds sing. I have my books. Other people have a worse life than I have. Brown looks out of his window for a long time. Brown sees something move. It's a mole. Wait a minute. That mole's making a tunnel. I've got an idea.